Let's learn how to RAG with code that I didn't make up myself. This is all from the quick start section of the LangChain documentation. I'll just walk you through it. My name's Ronnie. Big companies hire me in order to get the most out of AI. My work has been featured on CNBC's Make It and Fortune magazine, and my AI courses have been taken by over 1 million people. Let's go ahead and check out this documentation right here for LangChain quick start, and there's Q&A with RAG. At the top there is some installation that you'll want to make sure that you perform. So pop over a terminal and go ahead and install away. You'll also want to export the user agent as well as an OpenAI API key, which you should keep a secret. Now let's take a look at this example that LangChain has provided us with. At the top there's some imports of beautiful soup, as well as the LangChain community document loaders. Then we open an OpenAI LLM. They're using 3.5 Turbo. That's not the latest LLM from OpenAI. Next, we have the web loader. And what they're doing here is providing it with a web path that it's going to load the document from. This example creates a text splitter with this chunk size and this chunk overlap. Then it will go ahead and split the document into chunks. Now we're going to use a Chroma vector store to store our documents so that we can find things that are near to the query that we're going to make. We'll create a retriever. Finally, we'll use this syntax to create a RAG chain, and we'll invoke the chain with the query, what is task decomposition? I'll store this in a variable and print this response. So let's go ahead and run this. Python 3 rag.py. And we have an answer. Task decomposition is a technique to break down complex tasks into smaller, simple steps for easier execution. So there we have it, RAG in less than 40 lines of code. This is sort of a high-level abstraction, but it's very easy to get started with. Have you used LangChain before? Do you find it to help you out? Is it too high level? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, feel free to hit like. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning.